Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's blue crab night. Girl, they were fighting with the crabs or what? My God. You got the Buddha meats. Okay. Hi. We're having blue crabs, a little crawfish, couple potatoes, some corn, some boiled eggs. It's on your side. I ain't had blue crab in so many years. You might see. You might see my sister's arm come in and out.
Sorry,
Yeah, thank you, baby. Thank you, baby. Mine sitting in the sauce. Oh, we have some Nini's Eat Life vegan butter sauce. Ooh, baby. Oh, I left it on the counter. You gotta cool it. A knife? For what? For what? For what? A knife for what? Egg? For what? You want an egg? Oh. I'm sorry. I don't know.
Stop looking at me.
Child, it's 8:30 at night. This been a fight to the finish, okay? Be careful, these are sharp, babe, okay?
I don't know how to eat it. How do you get the inside?
Get on the chair, TJ.
Come on. Come here. Oh! Yeah, I'm scared now.
You need a cracker.
Come on. Come on.
Listen. We had a fight with these daggone crabs.
How you do this?
First, you work on the legs. You get the leg meats out.
Ain't there.
It's a lot of work. There you go. All right, so. Oh, she was preggers.
Mom, why would you say that?
Baby, that's what that is. The orange part is eggs. What is what? I think that's part of the lungs. Yeah, don't eat that. Yes.
Yo, I don't know what I'm doing right now, so please bear with me.
Because they'll call these the sunflower seeds of seafood. All right.
Don't be in my business. I'm dipping in here. Oh, we should have a spoon. It's hurting me.
It's hot. Okay. Come on. Should have got a lot of things. Hold on.
Too bad now. Don't eat it.
Huh?
There's a lot of these.
That's the little gills, like the long thing is.
You can't eat that?
No, it don't taste very good.
So what do you eat?
Inside here, hold on. Ooh, this one had a lot of stress in his life. Hi. Eating blue crab is annoying. I just remembered.
Yeah.
What can you have?
I was trying.
You can eat the fish eggs, but up under this thing is meat in there. I promise.
I'm just trying.
Yeah. Yeah. Hey. This is really not going to be a lot of talking because we had to fight these crabs to get them in the water. You got to fight them to get the meat out.
There we go.
Y'all hear y'all fur nephew with his pipe. Now see, when we was kids, my dad would make this. We would go crabbing actually, and sometimes he would just go to the store, get a bunch of live blue crab, cook them up, put them on newspaper on the table, and we would just go to town.
Yes. Seafood is a big part of our life.
Yeah.
Your young and my young too.
It's fun.
It really is. I probably look so picky. I probably look so picky eating this, but
It's her first time, y'all, for real. Like,
I ain't did it before. And I'm scared of them.
I'm gonna drop the clips in there from me fighting me and not fighting the crab
I was helping her. I had her back.
with the camera. This girl was hollering, I was hollering, it was a mess. My son was nowhere to be found. TJ Bartholomew.
Get back on the show.
Oh my God.
Yeah. This is a super late dinner.
We worked hard to get this food together tonight. And of course, the first crab she picked is pregnant.
Very pregnant.
She was with child. Those are eggs. Hi, butts. Hi, butts. I know.
What does it taste like? It's hard. This is hard. The eggs.
Yeah. They're kind of creamy.
I'm gonna leave them alone.
Okay. It's kind of creamy.
Cause you know I ain't seen it hard like this because I see the Korean people eat it like marinated. You know? TJ, please, I can't.
We ain't gonna keep y'all on here too long. Number one, it's a lot of food. And we finna get down. Number two, we done had a long day of fighting crabs. But it's delicious. Oh my God. We ain't even offer y'all none. My bad. I want to get one of them burners that we can put outside, the little gas burners. Because then I could have bought it faster.
Yeah. It took a lot of time.
Like, I got a huge pot that I had to put on 2 hours just to get it to act right.
Come on.
But the payoff is delicious. If these potatoes didn't have spice, I would give you one, boo. You already ate, though. I got a half a roll of paper towel. Some Sprite. Mm.
Mm.
You having fun? It's some work though.
Yeah. Where's my clenching on?
Let me tell y'all. If y'all get blue crabs, be prepared. Okay? Wow.
That's my ear, bro.
TJ.
Cute.
Cute.
She lying.
Can you come get him, please? Can you come get him, please? TJ, cut it out. You cannot eat seafood. I told you that 1,000 times. Go watch Big Bang Theory in my room.
Leave me alone, leg.
It's funny because these are not as salty as snow crab. King crab is too. You put your teeth on it and slide it, and the meat come out them little legs.
I think it's a different texture.
That's what I was telling Carrie and the people.
Yeah.
I remember that. Let me tell y'all something. Other than fighting these crabs today, baby, we watched Texas Chainsaw Massacre, the new one. OMG. Later. Okay. This has, what's his name? Jacob Lattimore. He's so fine. Bless his little heart.
Why they had to make him stupid though?
I don't know if y'all watched the other Texas Chainsaw Massacres, and I did when I was younger, and I don't remember none of them. But I just don't recall people being this stupid. What they're supposed to be? Next gen? Millennials?
Yeah, they're millennials.
Yeah.
I don't think there's any Gen Z in that.
What's Gen Z?
Me.
Oh. Which, first of all, the entitlement of it all. It was just a lot. It was a lot. Just watch it. It's scary. We screamed. It was a lot going on.
Blood.
A lot of blood. A lot of guts. R.I.P. to the black people. I was like, do y'all always gotta be stereotypical? Can the black people survive one scary movie, please? This girl was sweet. The boy wasn't as sweet as them.
I'm looking at your camera coming in. Your big old crab.
Oh, you can pull them out.
Y'all see that?
That's called a Jonah crab. It kind of looked like a Dungeness.
Look how big this is. I'm gonna eat that.
Tear that up.
Thank you so much, baby.
Did you taste the corn? 'Cause I ain't.
Nah. I ain't even know. if his other ones was like.
Okay.
So yeah.
She just sprayed us with crab.
Sorry
Nice.
about that.
Mm.
The whole jar flew. Mm.
Thank y'all so much for watching my previous video. Woo. It is hard. All these crabs have different textures. It's so
They
crazy.
do.
It's good though. That is good. See, this one more salty.
It is, yeah. Oh, God.
Woo.
Yeah.
Nope. Get the beef.
We got this crab from
Bravo.
Yeah. Jeez.
I worked hard to get that piece out and then I just gave it away. What kind of mess?
You're so nice. You're so kind.
I am kind. I tried. Until I had to fight them doggone crabs.
Oh, God. I'm strong.
And this one over here talking about, I'm going to help you. I want to help.
I did not say that.
You
I
didn't say
did
that?
not. No.
You want to try to put it in there. You ain't say that?
I
In
did
the
not
car?
say that.
Okay. All right, y'all.
I don't recall.
You got amnesia all of a sudden.
Okay.
Oh.
That was before.
This is. This be good.
What that is?
This the blue.
Oh.
This the girl. She's sweeter than the other one.
Red light.
Try the crawfish yet. This is finna be ugly and messy, y'all. But this real life right here.
This like really thick.
Oh my God.
Nice.
We got brown paper bags. Oh wow.
Very thick.
You ain't attacking that, is it? And see.
Yeah. We're gonna get you.
Who's gonna eat the crab? Seals? No. You have her egg.
Ouch.
They all on that end.
I see some right here.
I know.
I don't even know where yet.
Yeah.
He black.
Gotta suck them heads now. Gotta get that juice. Fell apart. What you doing, boo? Yeah. So anyway, thank y'all so much for joining us for this quick, short little mukbang. Cause like I said, I ain't gonna keep y'all here all night for this debacle.
Yeah.
Now low-key could have did this live. Cause yeah.
That would have been some hours. These eggs good.
Yeah, they are.
I always to be the best part of the boil.
I don't know why. Why is the eggs always the best part?
Makes me good, yeah.
Whew. You want to close out the video? Okay.
Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you won't miss a video from her or us. And with that being said,
I love you and there's nothing you can do about it.
bye y'all.
Bye. Eat the button.
Click it.
Eat the button.